Good morning, students. This is our next chapter for geography section, chapter number 4, minerals and energy resources. Under the revised syllabus for session 2020-21 for class 10th in social science, we are having this chapter only for map points. No theoretical portion will come in unit or in board examination. So here in this video we will fill 3 outline political maps with the different points which are important for your map points from this chapter. So in your homework you have to fill 3 outline political map. What you have to fill I am going to tell you. First map of this chapter will be having your iron ore mines. So first map, outline political map, will be based on the iron ore mines. Which particular iron ore mines you have to fill in your first map of this chapter, I am going to tell you. So first, under iron ore mines, you have to locate the first iron ore mine, Mayurbhanj. And beta, this Mayurbhanj is located in Odisha, the state of Odisha. So it is very important that when you are filling the map, you will remember that in which state these iron ore mines are located. Why I am giving you the particular iron ore mines? Because under the syllabus only these particular iron ore mines is given for the board preparation. Second iron ore mine which you have to locate is Durg, and it is located in the state of Chhattisgarh. Third iron ore mine which you have to locate is Beladila, and it is also to be found in the state of Chhattisgarh. Fourth iron ore mine which you have to locate in your outline political map is Ballari, and it is also in the state in Karnataka. And the fifth iron ore mines which you have to locate is Kudremukh, and it is also near the state of Karnataka. So in your first outline political map you have to fill certain iron ore mines of India which are included: first Mayurbhanj, second Durg, third Beladila, fourth Ballari, and fifth is Kudremukh. I have given you the state name also so that it will be easy for you, so that you will remember their location in your board examination. So in first map you have to fill iron ore mines in your homework from this chapter: Mayurbhanj, Durg, Beladila, Ballari, and Kudremukh. Now in second map of this chapter, the second map you have to locate certain oil fields of India and coal mines. It will be your map number 2. Outline, yes, all 3 maps will be Indian outline political map. So in oil fields you have to fill Digboi. First is Digboi. So you can see that I have also located these oil field here. So you can see that Digboi, first oil field is Digboi, and second is Naharkesha. So you can see Digboi and second is Naharkesha. These are the oil fields. These both are to be found in the state of Assam. So these two you have to locate. Another oil field is Mumbai High. Here these are the another oil fields of India, and these third is Mumbai High and fourth is Basin. These both are to be found in the state of Maharashtra. Now fourth number oil field is, you can see, Kalol. Fifth number Kalol, and it is found in Gujarat. And the fifth number oil field which you have to locate is Ankleshwar, and it is also to be found in the state of Gujarat. So in this way you have to locate in the second outline political map of India the oil fields which are Digboi and Naharkesha, both are in the state of Assam. Then Basin and the Mumbai High, they both are in the state of Maharashtra. And then you have to locate Kalol and Ankleshwar, the oil fields which are in the state of Gujarat. Now in the same map you have to locate the coal mines also. What particular coal mines you have to locate? Now I will tell you. Coal mines, first of all, Raniganj, and it is in West Bengal. Second, you have to locate Bokaro. Second is Bokaro coal mines, and Bokaro is in Jharkhand. Third, Talkar. Talkar coal mine is in Odisha. Fourth coal mine is Naveli, and it is in Tamil Nadu. So these are the coal mines which you have to locate in outline political map of India in map number 2. So in map number 2 you have to locate oil fields and coal mines, and you have to fill with the state name so that you will remember in examination. Very neat and clear handwriting you have to fill the map. Now the third map of this chapter, which is included certain nuclear and thermal power plant of India in the outline political map of geography, and it will be map number 3rd. So under it, under nuclear power plant, you have to locate first you have to locate Narora, and Narora is in UP. This is the first nuclear power plant which you have to locate. Second is your Singrauli, and you can see the second is Singrauli. This is Singrauli. It is another, you can say, nuclear power plant of India, and it is in Madhya Pradesh, MP. Singrauli, second number. First is Narora, it is in UP, and second is Singrauli. Now it is nuclear, yes, nuclear power plant. Second is Karapara, not Singrauli. Singrauli is your thermal power plant. First is Narora, nuclear power plant, and second is your Karapara. You can see second nuclear power plant is Karapara, and it is in Gujarat. Third nuclear power plant is Tarapur. It is also, you can find it near Gujarat. It is in Maharashtra, Tarapur. And fourth nuclear power plant is Kalapakkam, and it is in Tamil Nadu. So you have to fill 4 nuclear power plant in outline political map. These are Narora, then Karapara, Tarapur, and Kalapakkam. Now in the same political outline map of India, you have to fill thermal power plant. Under thermal power plant, you have to locate first thermal power plant is Namrup. It is in Assam. First thermal power plant is Namrup, and it is in Assam. Second is Singrauli. It is a thermal power plant. It is in Madhya Pradesh. And third is Ramagundam. It is in Telangana state. It is also another thermal power plant of India. And next is this is Ramagundam. It is in Telangana. So in this way you have to fill all the points in map number 3, Indian outline political map of India, and it will be having the location of or identification of nuclear and thermal power plants of India, and it will be your map number 3rd. So in this chapter you have to fill these all 3 maps in your homework in a very neat and clear handwriting with their state name. First is iron ore mines. These are iron ore mines. In second map you have to fill different oil fields with their state name and coal mines. And the last map of this chapter, you have to locate nuclear and thermal power plant with their state name. It is all about this chapter, as no theory portion will come here. So you have to fill these maps very carefully and in a very neat and clear handwriting. Till then, take care. Goodbye.